Good afternoon, Dr. Vikram,
Good afternoon.
and thank you very much for bringing us here in this Peacock Garden,
Yeah,
Peacock Forest area.
this is
So,
very wonderful, peaceful forest.
yeah, so today we want to discuss about this kidney failure problem. Many patients are suffering these days,
Yeah,
and there are some herbs you told me earlier also. So,
yeah.
please explain us.
Kidney failure in most of the patients, the 90% cases, the cause is diabetes and blood pressure.
Mm-hmm.
If you're suffering from diabetes and it is not controlled, and if you're suffering from blood pressure, it is silent blood pressure especially, and it is not controlled for about 10 years, 15 years, or 20 years, then
Mm-hmm.
sometimes the creatinine starts to elevate.
Okay.
The urea and the creatinine, these are the two bad chemicals which are filtered by the kidneys
Mm-hmm.
and thrown out of the body, which are toxins to the body. So kidney is filtering these two chemicals, and if kidney is not functioning properly, and if blood pressure and this diabetes is not controlled, and then these creatinine level, this creatinine and urea grows.
Yeah.
This is called kidney failure.
Okay.
So slowly, usually it goes up to from 1.2 to 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, and
Yeah.
then 10. And then there is requirement of dialysis.
Yes.
And dialysis is done to when the kidney is not functioning. But there are certain Ayurvedic herbs. It is a very good news for kidney patients. There are certain Ayurvedic herbs
Okay.
which can reduce the urea and creatinine level, which
That's
help
great.
to control the urea formation of urea and eliminate the urea and creatinine from the blood.
Okay.
So these few kidney herbs like chicory leaves, Psychorium intybus,
Okay.
kasni. I use punarnava. I use this pine bark. I use this bhumi amla,
Okay.
kalmeg. And these are the mainly detoxifiers.
Okay.
So these I have made a combination called Rencure formula, Mutrukrishantak Churna. So Mutrukrishantak Churna is a classical Ayurvedic formulation.
Okay.
It's a combination of various herbs. Gokshura is another herb which is very useful for kidney failure patients.
Uh-huh.
So it helps to keep the urea and creatinine level in control and
Okay.
reduces them. And in many cases, the dialysis can be avoided. And we get a lot of time.
Uh-huh.
A patient who is immediately advised renal transplant, they get a chance to avoid transplant, and they
Okay.
can get a chance to, they get time, enough time so that they get a time to think over. Maybe 1
Okay.
year, 2 years, 3 years.
Okay.
Transplant is avoided and dialysis can be avoided.
So this can be reversed, this kidney failure.
This urea and creatinine can be reversed. This
Okay.
is a very
This is great
wonderful,
news. Yeah.
uh,
So these days researchers are also about pine tree use in this kidney failure. So can you explain on this sorrel tree also known?
this is Saral is a very wonderful tree.
Okay.
I use it in my formulations.
Uh-huh.
It's called Saral in Sanskrit language.
Okay.
In ancient Ayurveda, it is described as very good for kidney problems.
Okay.
So along with other herbs, I use Saral also, this pine bark.
Okay.
So pine is growing everywhere. The
Uh-huh.
bark of the tree, as you see, it is very sturdy. It is nature has made to bear the stress and stress of the weather. So it is able to handle the cumbersome and very difficult weathers also.
Okay.
So we use bark of the tree, the pine bark,
Okay.
and the extract of that pine bark is used to make tablets called pine bark tablets.
Okay.
So I use the pine bark tablet in the second stage of the kidney failure.
Okay.
Or CKD5 they call it,
Okay.
fifth stage of the kidney failure.
Okay. For
So
very
I call it
advanced
the
stages.
second stage. Usually, at the first stage I use only basic herbs
Okay.
like punarnavad, kasni, and chicory and other
Okay.
diuretics and some urea creatinine controllers. So, a first stage when the creatinine level is below 5 or below 7, I
Okay.
use the first stage herbs, and in advanced stages of above 7 or above 8 or above 10, I use the advanced. So pine bark comes in advanced stages kidney
Okay.
failure.
Okay.
So it helps to control the advanced stages and help to avoid the dialysis. So you can show this tree is growing there in the forest.
Okay.
Yeah,
It's a beautiful big tree.
yeah,
Yeah.
very big tree.
So this tree bark is used.
Yeah.
So Dr. Vikram, for kidney patients, how many months they need to use this to avoid dialysis or kidney transplant?
This should be used for about. It should be used regularly. It's not like that you use for 1 month or 2 months.
Okay, okay.
It has to be used regularly.
Okay,
Along
so
with
these
any
are herbal
ongoing-
supplements and can
it's
be
like
used.
a supplement. Along with any ongoing treatments, whatever you are taking, you should incorporate this pine bark formula.
Okay, okay.
It's Saral Ghanvati.
Yeah,
I have named it as Saral Ghanvati. Saral means this pine,
okay,
and Ghan means the concentrated extract of the bark,
okay,
and Vati means the tablet.
okay,
So
okay.
Saral Ghanvati is what I recommend.
Okay.
I recommend a combination called Revive Kidneys package for the kidney failure patients.
Okay,
But in some cases, patients where the situation is very complicated, then I add this Saral Ghanvati.
okay.
So Revive Kidney package is the basic one,
Uh-huh.
which I use for the kidney failure patients.
Okay. Thank you very much, Dr. Vikram. Thanks you.